Hi guys, today I would like to demonstrate to you and actually notify you how we've been able to come a long way in our land preparation. As you all know, land preparation is a very important aspect in crop production, and if you don't prepare your land well, even the crop that you're going to get, we will not be assured of a good harvest. This is a typical block. Our blocks here are divided into quarter hectares. This is a quarter hectare, and you can see that it is still harboring the crop residues for the previous crop, which was peas. You can see this is a pea residue, but we are coming after this with tender stem broccoli. Previously we had tender stem broccoli, and then we planted snow peas as break crop, and now we are preparing the soil for the next crop of tender stem broccoli. Initially we used to do to plow our land using a disc plough, which was doing more damage than good. And the reason as to why I say that is that you can look at this soil is black cotton. It has a higher clay content, higher clay content, and the only way you can tame clay soil is introducing organic matter into the soil, either through addition of manure or ensuring that the crop that is grown remains at the surface. So what the disc was doing was overturning the organic matter that we put, or the crop residues, below the soil. But now we discovered a secret, and this secret is in chisel plough. You can have a look at that tractor plowing there. It has a chisel plough, and what a chisel plough does, it doesn't plow under or invert the soil or the crop residues below the soil. So what happens is that the tines penetrates the soil to a distance of up to 12 centimeters below, and then there is the trash or the crop residues is left on the surface, where it decomposes and rots to become organic matter. You can see how beautiful the chisel is doing an amazing job. Now you can see, if you look at here, look at my digging with my gumboot, and I can go as low, I can go up to 10 centimeters, and you can see how beautiful the soil is. It is rich in organic matter. You can have a look. You can see all those particles of organic matter. Within a period of time, let's say for about 3 years, the top layer, the 6 inches layer, will be very rich with organic matter, and the effect of clay soil will no longer be felt in this block or in this particular field. This is now what we have adopted in all other blocks, and this is now a common practice. I would appeal to the farmers, mainly the maize farmers and wheat farmers, to adopt the chisel as the main tool of or machine for land preparation. What we normally do is a bit unconventional. Normally, whenever you want to do land preparation, you would have started with a chisel, which we were told that it is a primary cultivation. Then you would finish with a harrow, which you are told that it's a secondary cultivation equipment. But normally what I do, I start with a disc harrow. Like in this field, I'll come and disc in order to chop all these crop residues that you see on top here. Once it is chopped, the harrow will only be able to penetrate about 6 inches. But if you look at the tires of the tractor, there'll be too much compaction below the 6 inches. Once I do the harrow, I'll come with the chisel plough in order to penetrate or to break the compaction that was created by the harrow. And in that way, I'll be able to aerate the soil. So it's like I'm plowing, but I'm not moving the soil. I'm not damaging my topsoil. Instead of degrading this soil, whatever number of years that I'll be in this farm, the production will not go down. It will keep on increasing because I'll be raising the organic matter levels. Under normal circumstances, I don't remove the crop residues, but now, because of the ongoing drought, what has been happening is that the farmers in the surrounding areas have been forcing me to sell to them because the cows are in dire need of fodder. So that's why you can see that this block is clean. Under normal circumstances, I would have left it like that, come and disc the crop residues, chop it into sizes, and then I would come with the chisel plough and then prepare for planting. Where there'll be too much crop residues, I'll line up. I'll put the strings to show me where the planting lines will be. Then I would shift the crop the crop residues as I plant. After planting, as I continue weeding and doing other activities, the residues would decompose, and then I will be left with humus or